Have you ever wondered how BlastOne is able to guarantee the world's fastest tank turnarounds? Enter Performance 3, which combines superior abrasives, superior equipment, and superior know-how to boost productivity, safety, and efficiency on industrial blasting and painting jobs. As the centerpiece of superior abrasives, GMA Garnet is engineered for optimal speed, safety, and surface quality. Here's why it should be your go-to abrasive. Expect higher productivity through faster cleaning power and low abrasive consumption, meaning fewer stops to refill and less material to clean up. And speaking of clean, GMA Garnet has exceptionally low dust compared to slag, which helps improve visibility and working conditions. GMA means cleaner surfaces with fewer embedded particles. When you need your tank project completed faster, safer, and cleaner, you want BlastOne. To learn more about how Performance 3 can help you, log on to blastone.com/performance3 and get started today.